picked up your shirts this morning. I don't know why, Mr. Reynolds said to say hello. I started to cry, Every place we ever walked and everywhere we talked, I miss you, you never leave my mind. So much of you is left behind. You took my days with you. Took my nights with you. Letters every day that I'll never send, you'll never see. All this wishful thinking gets me nowhere. I can't say, though my heart is broken, it keeps breaking every day. I keep thinking that you'll be calling. Everyone says it's all in my head, and I can't accept it yet. I'm not ready to just give in. I know that I can't live in this pain with these feelings of regret. I can't comprehend this and pretend that I don't care. Any place I want to be, I want to see you there. You took my life with you. Took